In this video, we see how to curve text and how to box it inside Adobe Express. To add text, you can copy it from somewhere else and paste it here, then resize it. Or you can click text and then write the text directly in the design. To edit the text, you need to click on the text in the design, or you can click on the Layers panel on the side if it is hard to select the text directly. Let's add a curve. On the side, you have Text Layout. Click it and choose the right position of the curve, either a full circle or a curve. You can't change the position of the curve, only make the text bigger or smaller. It's going to stay in a perfect semicircle. This is another limit from Adobe Express. They also have the option to play with the text so it will be boxed. When you resize that box, the text size will change based on the length of the biggest word. You can use it to customize the design very fast, instead of trying to match everything to fit in the middle of the page at the right size. It will create a perfect square from the text. Watch this video next, like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.